Alright, we've got a Baja Designs headlight, and that's going to take the place of the original XR600 headlight. It's got these rubber straps to hold it onto the forks, but they're like one size fits all. These would even fit on upside down forks, but we're going to get rid of those. I don't need these extra nubs and everything. Let's see if we can do it. Boy, these are in there good. I've got some here that come off of 1995 Honda, so that's good. Nicky's 95 should fit right on. But the nub's a different size. That may make a big difference. Okay, so the Baja Designs headlight shell is on there. You know, one thing I don't like about it is how much there is up here for all their Baja Designs lighting kit. And I'm not going with that, so I don't need all that, but I certainly have room for wires. Doesn't look too bad compared to the original Honda, because it's what I'm going with now. So we're going to have a dirt bike with turn signals in order to be legal. Pretty nice turn signals, I think. They bend on their stem really good. They can bend really far. It's a light bar of LED that flashes. The way I'm planning on setting this up is when you remove the headlight shell, this whole setup here will unplug and come away. We've got like at least 3 grounds just on the headlight itself, and possibly a 4th one. You know, I've been struggling. I don't want to have 5 ground wires coming back to the harness and a number of Ys and 3-way connectors and so on and so forth. And this looks like it's going to work perfect. It'll mount with the 2 screws. I'm going to mount it up in here. It'll be on the inside. And my ground wires will all go to this, and I will only have one that actually goes back to the harness. Put a ground lug on here for all of these grounds. Okay, that's a pilot hole. So, we're gonna get it? Is this gonna work? Screws and washers. Ground lug. All the grounds are going to run into that, and we're going to fix those up. So when it comes to take the headlight off, I've got OEM style straps here. And behind there is my wiring. So now there's a strain relief. Tubing comes out here and it's held secure. And when it's time to unhook the headlight off of the bike, I gotta unhook 3 wires, 3 terminals, in order to separate the headlight right off the bike completely. And it gives us a horn. Those annoying turn signals. And I've done all this wiring, and once I finally put it together and put power to it, it came on and worked properly. The next question is, will the motor ignition work properly? You might be wondering what's next, and next is to maybe wheel the bike out of the way and clean up all the junk I've got going on here, tools and parts and stuff. It's time to reset. It's certainly possible that the electrical job is done, and we may be able to call it quits on that.